and today we are going to play with the white macaw parrot. It holded the. That's nice. It holded these both sticks. It wanted so badly, so badly. So.
It just said hello.
Hello.
Its name is Rosie.
Yeah, but it's a male.
Yeah, but it's a male. So guys, it's.
Seriously.
I just left it up.
Nice.
But-
He's got his best opportunity, but still you left it. Yep.
Oh my god, he wants that so badly.
Huh?
See that, guys? Like, he's coming behind the stick.
Huh? Okay, Amma, shall I give it to it?
Nope.
So guys, it wants the stick, so let us give it to it.
No, give yours.
I gave mine only.
Yeah, thank God. Bro, if you leave it, I swear you're gonna.
What are you doing?
You're so bad. Just wanna eat it. See that, guys? He just wanna
You can't
eat it.
rip it. Oh my god.
He's hurting
Did it
himself.
just
No, he's hurting itself.
Arey, yeah, it didn't. Its beak is the strongest.
Its tongue. Bro,
Will its tongue hurt?
I guess you need to stop it. Yeah, come take this.
Come, Rosie.
Yeah. Oh, again.
Rosie.
Yeah, leave that. Come on. See, wait, give me that.
Rosie, you don't want this?
Rosie,
Rosie.
Muji. Kunki. Take that. Yeah. Good job. Take that. Say to take it.
Rosie, come on. Rosie, come on. Rosie, come on.
Bro, something happened to the camera.
Rosie, come on. Rosie, come on. Rosie, come on. Rosie, come on. Yes, good boy.
Yep. Good boy. Where did it fall down?
Where did it fall?
Not on its. Please. Bro, just pull it. Take.
The good boy is here. Actually, this is yours.
Hey!
Yeah.